Be sure to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. When you do that, you help my channel grow. Hi, I'm Miss Jessica and welcome to my Book Nook. In today's book, we get to learn about boba. Boba is a sweet drink with little teeny tiny chewy tapioca balls in it. It's actually one of my favorite treats. And then we get to meet a boba tea expert and make some boba tea together. All right, let's read a book. I Love Boba, written by Katrina Liu, illustrated by Didi Prayoga. Let's go get some boba. A drink Taiwan created. It's loved by many people and widely celebrated. But do you call it boba, pearl milk, or bubble tea? Whichever way you name it, it's delicious. You'll see. Boba is the drink itself, but here's something amusing. They're also a sweet topping. Same name. Yes, it's confusing. They look like shiny pearls. They're made of tapioca. They're soaked in icy tea or juice or sometimes mocha. They come in many sizes, from large to small to mini. You'll need to use a fat straw. They'll clog in one that's skinny. A perfect boba's chewy. One taste will get you hooked. They're too hard when not cooked through, too soft when overcooked. Milk tea is a classic choice, but if you don't like dairy, perhaps you should try matcha, mango, melon, or berry. Add on jellies, egg pudding, red beans, or salted cheese. There's even popping boba that bursts juice with a squeeze. All day I dream of boba. It's even gluten-free. This beverage is amazing, so try it. You'll agree. Cheers! The end. We just finished reading I Love Boba, and today we're with someone who makes boba and boba tea so that you can have as much as you want, anytime you want. Here is Miss Arlene Yuan.
Hello.
Miss Arlene owns a tea bar called Teapop. The pop in Teapop's name comes from the pop-up events that they host, like birthday parties, celebrations, local art shows, and live music. They also have comedy nights and movie nights. Miss Arlene, what is a tea bar?
A tea bar is a place where we brew loose leaf tea. We have about 20 different kinds of teas that you can make into different styles, like plain tea, milk teas, tea lattes, arnis, and then you can also add things like boba, which are a popular add-on.
Yes, which we just learned about. Boba.
Boba looks like this. It can be called tapioca pearls. It can be called bubbles. Different people have different names for it, but I call it boba. And it has this light brown color. It's made out of tapioca starch. So it is gluten-free and vegan as well. And then after you cook it, takes about an hour, it turns kind of dark and translucent and soft. Really good boba, if you make it correctly, is soft on the outside and chewy on the inside. The little balls won't fit through a regular straw. So you need to have a larger straw so it helps you suck up all the boba at the very bottom. Yeah, so you don't leave any behind. Would you like to make a cup of milk tea boba?
I sure would.
Okay, so first you start off with your boba that has been cooked. You can put it at the bottom. And the three ingredients that you use to make a milk tea are your tea, your milk, and then also I have some simple syrup to sweeten it, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in my 2 ounces of milk, I'm gonna put in about 6 ounces of vintage tea. And if you don't like black tea, you can use any tea that you like, really. And then I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons of simple syrup. And make sure to stir it up so the boba also kind of gets stirred up as well. And then you can top it off with some ice. And there you go. It's kind of simple and delicious.
It looks amazing.
Yeah.
May I try it?
Go for it.
Hey. It's delicious.
That's how you make a milk tea.
Hey, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you for showing us and thank you for being a part of my world.
Thanks for having me.
And actually, I would like to give you this book.
Thank you.
Yeah, and
this
it's
is
signed,
awesome.
It's signed by the author. So
Oh, very cool.
all yours.
I love it.
So everyone, this is Miss Arlene Yuan, and I'm Miss Jessica, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.